Hello, good people. I made a similar slide earlier and people were asking lots of questions about it. I am recreating this to clarify those. Let's start and see from the beginning how to make this amazing morph transition slide deck. Start with a white blank slide and go to Insert and Smart Art. Add the basic pie Smart Art from there. Using the Add Shape button, add required number of shape. I am using Smart with 6 pies. Convert the Smart Art to shapes. Once done, press Ctrl, Shift, and G to ungroup the shape. Adjust the position of the pie, as shown in the video, to form a full circular shape. Adjust the position of the circular shape and place it in the center of the slide area. Now go to Insert and insert a circle while holding the Shift button. Place it in the center of the circular pie shape. Adjust the size of the new circle. Press Ctrl and D to create 5 more duplicate circles on top of the original one. Select all the circles and align the top, then align left. Now select the fragmented large circular shape and one circle. Go to Shape Format and Merge Shape. Select Subtract. Repeat this process for 5 more times. Now, select all the shapes and adjust the gap between the shapes as shown in the video. Change the format of the background to some suitable color. Now insert the necessary images. I have already downloaded some images from the Pixabay and inserted those in the slide. Select the shape and remove the outline. Now select the first image and press Ctrl and X to cut it. Select one piece of the shape and go to Shape Format. Select Picture Fill and select Clipboard. Uncheck the Rotate with the shape box. Follow the same process for the rest of the pieces of the shape and images. Add a text box and add relevant text inside the donut-shaped area. Adjust the formatting of the text and the position of the text box. Create a duplicate slide. In the duplicate slide, take the shape and text box to the left side of the slide area. Select all without the text box. Press Ctrl and G to group them. Create 5 more duplicate slides by right-clicking or pressing Ctrl and D. Now on the second slide, rotate the donut-shaped circle. Press Ctrl, Shift, and G to ungroup. Take one of the pieces of the shape out of the donut and increase the length slightly by dragging while holding Shift button. Insert a line and adjust the width and color. Add a title over the line and position it properly. Add necessary text below the line. I have also inserted a couple of relevant icons from the PowerPoint icons library. Position the icons appropriately in the slide. Select the icons and copy them. Paste them in the first PowerPoint slide. Drag them out of the slide area. This will enable PowerPoint to add some fly-in effect to the icons while transitioning. Follow the same process for creating rest of the slides. Pause the tutorial if you are facing any difficulties. Comment or ask questions about any specifics of the Microsoft PowerPoint tutorial to get more help. Comment the Office Guy to get the free template link. We will be adding the MORPH transition once all the PowerPoint slides are ready. First, follow the video and prepare the rest of the slides before going into adding the MORPH effect and learn how to create this amazing transition. Once all the slides are ready, select all the slides. Go to Transition and select Morph. Change the duration to 1.5 seconds. The slide deck with the transition should be ready now. Comment or like the video for more useful content. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you for watching.